What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Dash Lifestyle. Kindly for watching me for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, share and also comment. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and watching my video. Thank you so much for the love and support, and greetings to my brothers and sisters all the way from Caribbean country. So guys, in today's video I want us to talk about this conversation that it is going on. There is a lady who came and comment in one of the Jamaican lady on TikTok, and this white lady came and said, to this Jamaican lady that the black Jamaican in Jamaica, they did not originate in Jamaica. They are not the real indigenous people of Jamaica. And also, they did not even came from West Africa. So this is the white lady who came and tell this black Jamaican lady all these things. And also, this Jamaican lady, she didn't take it slightly, and also she decided to reply. I want you to watch how this Jamaican lady, she replied, and also I'll be back with more comments.
Yeah, run this comment back, because last time I checked, it wasn't Europeans that actually took us from Africa. It wasn't. They paid the Africans to take us. Do you understand? From inside to the shores to then go into the new world, which was America or wherever they sent us. We were taken and we were moved. And then we were put into slavery. And now we are releasing ourselves from slavery. And we are creating a nation for ourselves. And we are creating a lifestyle for ourselves. And we are creating a brand for ourselves. Let us have that. We know exactly where we come from. We know where we originate from. We know it is evident. We know we don't look like the original people in Jamaica. The Arawaks, we don't look like them. We know. Jamaican has already said there's about 10% of the original people that lived in Jamaica. We know. But we have gone there and we have made something for ourselves. So let us have our moments. Thank you.
So guys, I hope you have watched that video from our Jamaican sister replying to this comment that this white lady came and said. This lady, she came and said the black Jamaicans, they did not originate in Jamaica, and also they didn't came from West Africa as it is on the history. And for me, I really love how Jamaicans, they are so quick to reply, and also they don't joke around. They know their history and they will tell you exactly about their history. And what this Jamaican lady, she has come out and replied to this white lady saying they are not the real indigenous people of Jamaica. And I want to react on this video by saying that I know the black people from Caribbean, they are not the real indigenous of the black people from Jamaica. Let me talk about Jamaica. The black people from Jamaica, they are not the real indigenous people of Jamaica. The real indigenous, they are the Taino people. The Taino people, they are the ones who discover Jamaica. And also, I want to teach this lady a small history about Jamaica, because it seems that these people, they are now trying to manipulate the history of Jamaica. They are now trying to find any reason so that they can kick black people in Jamaica, so that they can take over the Jamaica. So guys, the people who are in Jamaica, this lady, she has come out and say they know where they came from. The black people, they know, the black people in Jamaica, they know where they came from. These people, they were taken during slavery. Majority of them, they were taken here in Africa. Majority of them from West Africa, Ghana and Nigeria. When you are going to do, when some of the Jamaicans, they are going to do their DNA test, you may find out that most of them, they came from West Africa, and majority it is Ghana, either Ghana or Nigeria. So they came from this country from the West Africa. And these people, they were not willing to go in Jamaica. They were not willing to go in America. Also, the black Americans, they were also taken from here in Africa. These people, they were forced, and also they were forced and they were taken away from here in Africa. And also the colonizers, they came here in Africa, and also they paid the greedy leaders. They were using some of our greedy leaders to capture these black people. So you can imagine the greedy leaders who were during the colonizers. They were being given money by these colonizers to capture their fellow black people. After capturing their fellow black people, then they were selling them. They were given money so that they can sell them, our brothers and sisters from here in Africa. So these people, first of all, they were betrayed. The Jamaicans, who are the black people from Jamaicans who are in Jamaica, they were betrayed. And also the black Americans, they were betrayed with our greedy leaders during colonizers, because they were the ones who captured these people and they were the ones who sold. So these people, they didn't went in Jamaica willingly. These people, they didn't went in United States willingly. These people, they were forced. And also I usually apologize for what happened during colonization period, because I'm here in Africa. So I want also to say sorry to my brothers and sisters all the way who they are watching me from Caribbean or United States, for what our greedy leaders did to you guys. Because if they were not greedy, you people, you will be here in Africa. And also I love how you people, you also embrace here in Africa. Although although these people, they forced you into slavery, although these people, they were forced you in they forced you in forced slavery, but you didn't give up in Africa. And also one of the reasons to why I really love Jamaica is Jamaica, although they went all these forced slavery through this hardship during the colonization period, they didn't give up with Africa. Jamaica, it is the first country in the Caribbean who embraced Africa. Jamaica, it is one of the first Caribbean country in the Caribbean which embrace Africa. And also these people, they also embrace African culture by using some of the African culture and also some of the African languages in their language. These people, they put African words, African languages in patois language. This is to show you that these people, they really love Africa. Can you tell me one of the Caribbean country which it has embraced Africa than Jamaica? There's no any other Caribbean country which it has embraced Africa than Jamaica, because Jamaica, they have used some of the African language in their main language, patois language. You can see, this is to show you that these people, they really love Africa. And because of that, I usually talk more about Jamaica. I usually tell people more about Jamaica. And also I'm a Jamaican ambassador here in Africa, here in Kenya. So I usually also spread the good news about Jamaica. It is also because of how these people, they love Africa. And we as Africans also, we need to show love and support towards our brothers and sisters who are in Caribbean. Not only Jamaica, also the black Americans and also the Haiti, because I know also in the Haiti they are having more black people. Haiti is the country which leads of having black people from here in Africa. And also I also want to see Haiti cooling down, because I don't want to talk more about Haiti because I know what it is happening. So guys, just to back on our topic, sorry for going out of the topic. So this lady, she has come out and say they are not the Europeans who they capture these people here in Africa. They are our greedy leaders who capture them and sell them to these Europeans and British people. And also these people, it is because of them being in Jamaica, it is because of these black people being in America, they have made what America it is. They have made what Jamaica it is today. And these people, because of working so hard to make Jamaica most popular country and most famous country in the world, because of these black people building United States and made what it is today, these people now, they want to kick our black people out of this country. Yeah, and these are some of the tricks that they are using. They want to confuse the Jamaicans by telling them that you guys, you are not the real indigenous people of Jamaica. You guys, you are not Jamaica, it is not yours. And also they are going ahead and say you guys, you didn't also came from West Africa. So what this lady, what does she trying to say to the Jamaicans? The Jamaicans, they are homeless, they don't have home, they don't have a place where to go. No, these people, they have traced their root. This lady, she has come out and say, we know our background, we know our roots, we know where we come from. So don't try to come and confuse us by telling us, by lecturing us to our story. Because this white lady, she wants to confuse this Jamaican lady. And this Jamaican lady, she has come out and say, no, I know my roots, I know where I came from, and also I know I'm not the real indigenous. You are saying this so that I can leave Jamaica, so that I can go back in Africa, so that you can take over Jamaica. These are some of the things they are doing in Jamaica. And also Jamaicans, they have been complaining about the foreigners coming in their country, buying more land, turning the public beach into private beach. These are some of the things that they are using so that the Jamaicans can live, the black Jamaicans can live in Jamaica. And also we have seen in United States how our black Americans people, they are being used, how they are being oppressed, how they are still up to date. These black Americans, they are still going through hardship in United States. These people, they are being given less opportunity. These people, they don't have more access in United States simply because the white, they don't want to give these people more opportunity. They don't want to see black people prospering. And also these are the same thing they are doing in Jamaica. They don't want to see Jamaica becoming more popular than their country. And they are doing anything so that they can make Jamaica go down. And for me, I usually tell my Jamaican brothers and sisters, don't let them take control of your country. Don't sit down and see the foreigner taking your country. Don't sit down and see the foreigners turning your public beach into private beach. Don't allow that. I usually tell you what it is happening also here in Africa so that you guys, you can follow the footstep. Here in Africa, I've been telling you for the revolution, it has started here in Africa. African youth, they are kicking out the African puppet who are being used by the colonizers. We are removing them. Some of our African countries, we are uniting. See how President Traore is doing in his country. He has managed to remove the colonizers. He has changed the system. He is also going to change the official language of the country to remove this French in his country. This is to show you that Africa, it is uniting. Africa revolution, it has started. And also I want to urge my Jamaicans or black Americans also to stand firm to your country. It is because of you, you have made this country to be what it is. It is because of the effort of black people. So this Jamaican lady, she has come out and say, now we have managed to create our own country, to get out of colonization, and you people, now you want to come and enjoy our effort. No, you should not allow them to come and enjoy your effort. You have worked so very hard to make Jamaica what it is. Jamaica, it is known worldwide. Jamaica, it is the role model of Africa. You guys, you have made Jamaica what it is. So these people, they want to come and enjoy your sweat. No, you should not allow that. I really love this lady. And also you guys, you can go and support this lady on TikTok. She's on TikTok. And I want to give you the name. She's called Mona Shanaz on TikTok. Go and support this Jamaican lady because I love following her because of how she usually speaks truth. And also how she usually don't entertain nonsense. Because these colonizers, they don't want to leave Jamaica. These colonizers, they want to enjoy the benefit of Jamaica. Right now, Jamaica, it is the most popular country in the Caribbean. Jamaicans, because of giving this world a lot of things, because of Jamaican setting new world record, because of Jamaican languages being used also in some of the country, because of Jamaican reggae music selling out worldwide. Now these people, they want to come in Jamaica and get all this advantage. No, that you should not allow. So kindly guys, I want to stop there and like this video so that it can reach to a lot of people, and comment. Let's talk more in the comment section. See you guys till next time. Bye bye.